everybody. I know it's been a while that I have not uploaded a video, as we all have been through it and we're all still going through it. The pandemic, the so-called COVID, has affected the whole world. And I know it's been like 4 months that I have not uploaded. I believe it's 4 months or almost 4 months. Around February, I think, or I'm not sure, or March, everything was getting worse. People were getting more contagious with the virus, and then they closed down. Here in Ontario, they closed down practically everything except the supermarkets. The supermarkets just closed earlier, but they didn't close down completely at all. Everything else was closed down, and still now this pandemic has affected a lot of businesses and have been closing down forever, quite a few businesses. And yes, this is one of the reasons I was away for a while, because everybody was home and I was busy, and all the noise as well would not allow me to upload a video because it was too noisy. One person with one thing, the other person with another, and the other ones were playing, and way too much noise. And on top of that, after that, when everybody went back to work, I got bad news that one of my aunts was sick. She almost died. And oh my God, we were going through so many things during those weeks, thinking she was not going to make it. We had to say our goodbyes and everything. And well, they passed her to from the hospital to a clinic instead. And we were just praying and praying until her daughter called and said it's a miracle that she came out of it, because she was put to sleep so she doesn't have to go through so much pain or something like that, because they had her with breathing oxygen and stuff. They told her it wasn't the COVID, it was pneumonia, and I went through that when I was in my 20s, and believe me, I know that is not easy. That sickness is really terrible, and I don't wish pneumonia on no one, trust me. Because there's like 3 levels of pneumonia. The lighter one, and then there's the medium one, and then there's the really strong one, which is the 3rd. And apparently she got the strongest, like I did. I got the strongest in my when I had pneumonia in my 20s. Oh my, it was something that I don't wish it on no one. Things have calmed down a little, but still now people are being contagious with the virus even worse than before when they closed down. So I don't know what's going on. It's getting worse instead of better. I hope to God this is over. I can't wait for this to be over. It's hard and it's nerve-wracking because you can't really be free to walk anywhere. You have to stay away from so many people, or if there's a crowd, I try to stay away. It's hard. Anyways, enough chit chat. I have a cup of grind up chickpea. Now, what I do is whenever I need chickpea, or I'm going to do a recipe, I take the whole chickpea and I grind it in the blender. If you have the Magic Bullet, I think it's called, or the Ninja, or a regular blender, just blend it dry and then it will turn into flour. 1 cup, and I have some water here which is already crazily boiling, and I'm going to lower the heat a little less than medium so it doesn't kind of burn quickly. I'm going to make a chickpea cereal, which you can have it with almond milk or coconut milk, and it's yummy. Or just eat it like that as a snack. I want to share this because I haven't. I don't think I have. Anyways, we'll just add it little by little if it wants to come out. It's 1 cup. You might need to add more water because this is a little bit of water. So that was half a cup in the pot. So now I'm adding more water. And what you want to do is make sure this is fully cooked, right? That's why you lower the heat, so that way it cooks properly and it doesn't burn. Just put a little more water. And the secret here is, when you buy the chocolate powder with already prepared sweetener or whatever, like the Nesquik and stuff to make a chocolate milk or something. Well, I just buy the powder that is already with sugar, and I just add a scoop. Or you can buy the big jars of soy protein that have flavors like chocolate, vanilla. So I'm going to put 2 scoops, almost 2 scoops. And then I will just mix that up. And that is how simple it is to make this. And if you don't have that and you have cacao, just use like a tablespoon of cacao and then your sweetener of your choice, right? And some people don't like the bitter taste of the cacao, well, use less then. I don't mind I love dark chocolate, so it's more healthier than the ones that have the milk and the high sugars. So if you see any lumps, just squeeze it against the wall. And as you can hear my voice is not 100% that good either because I have a cold. I don't know what's up with me. Every time this woman has a cold. But last weekend, my cold was worse. I mean, really, it was worse. I couldn't breathe. Every time I eat, I couldn't even breathe. It was hard. But now I'm better. I can do a video. And now that everybody is back to work, but still I have my little one that's doing online class. So it's kind of hard for me to upload videos when there's noise in the background. So I'm gonna do probably around lunchtime since it's 1 hour break for them. So maybe I'll do around that time. I'll try to do a video around that time. I know it's been a while I haven't uploaded. Just added like a tablespoon more of water because it seems a little thick. So the point is to have it cook at least 10 minutes or less, because what I'm going to do is fry them. Why? Because I like the crunch. Or you can put it in the oven, but you have to be very careful because they're going to be small balls. It all depends how you make them. Depends on what size you make them. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes maybe in the oven. I'm not sure. But I would rather fry them. And I don't do frying like every single day or every week. I might do fry foods like maybe once a month. I'm not a person that fries every single day. Because I get these comments about, oh, that's not healthy. But I am not doing it every day. It's only ideas that I have made in the past and forget that I did not make a video on it. So I decide just to do it to share with you all. But you choose how to make it, right? All right, turn that off. What I'm going to do is let this cool down a bit so I can be able to handle it with my hands. So once it's cooled down, I will be back and I will fast forward when I'm shaping them into small little balls. I'll just fast forward that and then fry them. So that will be fast forward. Okay, so I'll be back once it's cooled. Alright, so here's my results. Chickpea cereals, chocolate. Different sizes, different shapes, however you want to make it. You do it. Right? However, I made big balls, small balls, and they look like meatballs. But no, they're chickpeas cereals. Chickpea cereals. I hope you try it out. Comment below. Let me know if you tried it and if you liked it. I'm sure you will. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye.